When fall finally arrives, you want something that gives you all of the flavors of the season, and that is this cookie. These maple pecan pumpkin chip cookies have been on my mind since July, and I can say that they are the perfect balance of every fall flavor that you've been craving. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. In a large bowl with a strainer, sift together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of allspice. Give it a sift until all of the ingredients are combined and set aside. In your mixing bowl, add 1 1/2 sticks of softened butter, 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 1/4 cup of light corn syrup, and beat it until fluffy, which will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Add 2 eggs, 1 by 1, and then add 1 teaspoon of maple extract. Add about 1/3 of the flour mixture and slowly stir and repeat the process until your dough comes together. Now it's time to add your pumpkin spice chips to the fall festivities. Then half a cup of chopped pecans and give them a quick stir until just combined. Then place it in the fridge for 10 minutes while your oven preheats to 375 degrees. Scoop your dough onto a lined cookie sheet about 2 inches apart. Then bake for 10 to 12 minutes and allow to cool on a rack before serving. Maple pecan pumpkin chip cookies are basically a taste of fall in every way. From the maple undertones to the crunch of pecan and a pumpkin spice chip that isn't too overpowering. It's the best of the season in every chewy bite. They are totally dunkable too, so have some milk candy or just go all in on the autumn and chase it with some cider. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.